If you're considering RocketReach for your business, there are a few things you need to know before buying. Stick around because we'll dive into the key aspects that could make or break your decision. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how RocketReach stacks up against competitors and whether it's the right choice for your needs. Now, you can actually try out RocketReach for free through the first link in the description, but let's break down exactly what you need to know before you make a purchase. First off, RocketReach gives you access to a massive database of professionals across various industries, but it's not the only player in the game. While tools like LinkedIn and Hunter.io offer similar features, RocketReach has one thing that really sets it apart: the depth and accuracy of its contact details. It focuses on providing verified emails, phone numbers, and social media profiles, which can make a big difference when you're looking to get in touch with the right people quickly. Next thing you need to know is the pricing model. RocketReach is not the cheapest option out there, and its pricing can be a bit overwhelming at first glance. They offer different tiers based on your needs. But what's crucial is understanding the number of lookups you get with each plan. If you're only looking to conduct a small number of searches, you might be able to get away with their free trial or one of the lower tier plans. But for teams who need a high volume of contacts, it's important to be aware of the cost structure and how fast those credits can be used up. The third thing to consider is RocketReach's accuracy rate. While it does a pretty solid job of providing reliable contact info, no platform is perfect. Compared to other services like ZoomInfo, RocketReach's accuracy can sometimes fall short, especially for niche industries or smaller companies. It's great for larger companies and professionals in tech, finance, and marketing, but if your focus is on more obscure sectors, you might find some gaps in the data. Now let's talk about the search functionality. RocketReach gives you an advanced search filter that can help you find the exact person you're looking for, whether you're targeting decision makers or specific roles in companies. Unlike tools that only focus on emails, RocketReach takes it a step further by providing company info and even social media profiles, which adds a valuable dimension for outreach campaigns. However, it's worth noting that if you don't have the right search parameters, you may end up with a lot of irrelevant results, making it less efficient than other tools like Clearbit when it comes to narrow targeting. The fifth thing is integration capabilities. If you're already using a CRM or marketing automation tool, RocketReach's integrations can save you a lot of time. It integrates with platforms like Salesforce, HubSpot, and even Google Sheets, allowing you to streamline your workflow. This is an advantage over competitors like Hunter.io, which has limited CRM integrations. If you're using a CRM heavily in your sales process, this feature alone might be a game changer. Next thing to consider is its API. If you're someone who likes to automate the process of pulling contact data, RocketReach offers an API that can be extremely useful for developers and teams with custom workflows. While not as robust as the one provided by larger tools like ZoomInfo, the RocketReach API still provides ample opportunities for teams that want to integrate lead generation directly into their systems. Lastly, it's important to know that RocketReach is evolving. They're continually adding new features and improving their database. So even if it's not perfect now, it might be a completely different experience in a few months. Keep an eye out for updates that could improve its functionality and make it an even more competitive option. So if you're still considering RocketReach, just remember that while it's an excellent tool for finding contact information and reaching out to prospects, it's not always the cheapest or most comprehensive option. It's great for businesses in tech and finance, but if you're in a more niche industry or need super high accuracy data, you might want to explore other options. If you want to give RocketReach a try and get access to the best free trial with some exclusive benefits, click the first link in the description below. You can start your journey now and see if RocketReach is the right fit for your business needs.